Our solar system started as a collection of dust and gases called a nebula.
This consisted of hydrogen, helium gases, and particles of solid matter like iron, rock, and ice, which came from an explosion called a supernova.
When the nebula collapsed, the internal pressure and temperature increased. Eventually, more particles attracted to the nebula and collapsed under its own gravity.
And the nebula began to rotate due to condensing gases material. The speed of the rotation became too much and the matter spread like a pancake.
In the center of the pancake, a bulge of matter remained and formed what we call the sun.
Then protoplanets began to appear in the outer regions of the nebula. The protoplanets condensed to form our solar system.
Protoplanets then formed into defined orbital paths, and the sun sucked up most of the debris, becoming bigger in the process. This explains the formation of outer planets such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Neptune, because most of the nebula is made of gases.
Uranus.
Planets are formed from a collapsing cloud of dust and gas within a larger cloud called a nebula.
Once a star is formed, a rotating cloud begins spinning in one direction. The cloud then flattens into a disk formation.
As the disk spins, gravity attracts particles toward the inner disk and the materials within stick together. Boulder-sized chunks of rocks and other particles enlarge and collide to make a rock formation called a planet.
Galaxies are formed when a protogalactic cloud becomes too heavy and collapses on itself. Dust and particles that form the cloud start spinning and heating up. After millions of years, a galaxy is born.
The Milky Way galaxy contains our solar system. Its name derives from its appearance as a dim, milky, glowing band arching across the night sky.
The Milky Way is 13.2 billion years old and contains 300 billion stars with an apparent mass of 1,250 billion. Constellation is Sagittarius.
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
When we're on the phone and talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is the way you laugh. First name, man, I should have kissed her when I should have. And when I got home before I said amen, asking God if he
Science.
could play it again. The front porch steps after everything that day.
Has all gone round and been trampled on and lost and thrown.
Way got